for joining. Hi, Ray Miller. Thank you for joining. How are you? Long time no here. I beat the team. Yes. Thank you for the first. Thank you so much for joining. How are you? Thank you for the likes, Ray. Good evening, everyone, and to my ever sister. Hi, good evening. Cheryl again. Did you find my Filipina wife yet? If not, I'm not coming to you and thanks with you. Not yet. Christy, she's my sister. Thank you, Ray. Benito Lawrence. Hi, Benito. Benito. Thank you for joining. Seven 55 a.m. Atlanta, Georgia time. Okay. Love yours. Oh my God. Benito, calm down. Yes, I do. Please calm. My team. Oh. Hi from Thailand. I don't understand Thailand language, but I know the Thailand word. Hi from Thailand. Think you know when to go. The Christmas light outside. So cute. Hi from Thailand. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the 5 people here. Thank you so much for watching. Hi from Thailand. Hello. Can you speak English? Hi sa Ate John. Hi Royal Flores. Hello. Hello from Thailand. Thank you for the likes. Wanna be Royal Flores. Hi. Hello. Hi. Sayed. Sayed. Hello, Sayed. Don't wanna be on a band. Don't wanna. Mark James Smith, yes. Hi, Mark. Just what? Just what? Just a thing. Just just. Thank you for 7 million here now. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Oh, Mark, what do you mean? Are you a kid? Don't wanna be on the bound. So, ah, ah, English, Mark. Hi from Thailand. You can try to say in English, not always in sign language. Hello, what you want to say from Thailand? Say anything. Bum, bum, parrot, parrot. Oh, oh, oh. Hello from Thailand. Oh my god, Thailand. You can speak in English. Try and try until you can speak. What I want to say. The Thai guy stop with the emojis. Yeah, maybe he wants to say something. Hi, I'm laughing and I'm crying. Oh, I wonder. Confusing. So wonder. Oh, game over. Bye bye. Oh, that's why I thought. Oh my god. Thank you for the 4 million now. Normal I'm do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do, dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. It's a good. It's a good student, Damien. Tell him behave. Hi, Jerry, Jerry, Jerry. Jerry, Jerry, Jerry. The Tim and Jerry. How are ya? Zap. La, 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 la. Hello, my love. Oh my god. What's happened to you, Jerry? Si Jerry, 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 Jerry. Jerry, that doesn't bother me. Oh my god. Sakit. My leg is hurt. Well, then, good, you are going. Oh my. Thank you for the 8 people here now. Thank you so much. because we both know you don't have a chance with her. I never said I have a chance, just have fun. Oh my god. Damn and Jerry. Mm. Oh, George. Yes. Um, have more fun, Tim. Oh my god. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, guys. Good evening. Good morning to you. I don't know. Hello, guys. Okay. Hello. Hello, Jerry from Gus. Mary Jane Espanol. Hi, Mary Jane. How are you, Mary Jane? Mary Jane, Mary Jane. Had an inch of snow last week. Have the snow there, America? Wow! Have a snow there. I want to experience the snow in America. Oh, America. America, America. It melted the next day. Oh, okay. It melted the next day. I melted snow that melted the snow. I thought it's like that. Wee, wee. Surely it's raining there. Ah, raining. Oh, I thought it's snow, like the snow. Raining. Jerry, Jerry. Jerry, nasaan ka? Mm, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. I wanna be in that dance in my life. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, do-do-do. Aw, I wish I could throw a snowball at Cheryl. Yep. What the heck, Jerry? What's up? Why suddenly quiet? So quiet a while. Quiet a while. It's thinking about the years. It was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. No, nothing could change you away from me. Even though that I knew before, that's hoping now. And you're coming back for more. Baby, you know that I want. When you lie here in my arms, thank you for the heart. This isn't too hard to say. We're in heaven. Thank you for giving the heart. And that's all that I need. And if I there in your arms, this isn't too hard to see. We're in heaven. Thank you. Sanaga heart. I heart you part. I was standing there by you. Baby, you're all that I want. When I lie here in my arms, it isn't too hard to see. We're in heaven. I've been waiting for so long. Somewhere to ride. Once you come along, dreams are coming true. For the good times ahead, I was standing there by you. I see we're in heaven. And love is all that I need. Thank you for the 21 people. Thank you so much. And I found it in my hand. La 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 la. I've been waiting for so long. For the good times and the bad. I'm standing there by you. Matagal ko nang itinatago ang puso, alam mo ako'y umiibig sa'yo. Di mo pansin ang tipong kaibigan lang pala ang tingin mo sa akin. Kung ako pa siya, mamahalin mo ako. Kung ako pa siya, Thank you for 19 million here. Thank you so much. Who are you? Why are you so quiet? Quiet a while. Wait. Ay, ang dami na pala. Team, I have a green jacket. One day it will be blue. Oh my god, get Jerry, get some matching gloves. Oh my god. Okay, I will go buy some blue gloves so I will be ready. Ang galing nyo po kumanta. Salamat. Get the green ones. They will match her jacket. I don't need a blue jacket. I'm just messing with you. Wow, that's great, Jerry. Inaantok na yung maganda dyan. Yes, naantok na. Pagod much na. English Mary Jane from team because I'm safe here right now. Safe from yourself, Jerry. ang inyo po kumanta. Oh, Tim, you are hurting my feelings now. Oh my god, I thought we were like brothers. Cheryl, check your messenger. Actually, you look like my real brother. Hello, how are you? Okay, wait lang. My messenger. Okay. Don't say out loud. Hi po. Hi, Mary Jane Estonia. Hi po. Hi. Hello. Jerry, did you buy those green gloves? Oh my god. Over here. Where is Jerry now? Where are you now, Jerry? Jerry. Oh my god. Jerry. Naka-subscribe. Thank you for subscribe my channel, Mary Jane Estonia. Thank you so much. If you left, then take back. We can wait. We can wait. Where are you, Jerry? Maybe. Oh, no more Jerry now. Where is your Jerry? Mm, 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 mm. We will give him a few minutes. Okay. Okay. Oh, Jerry, where are you? Da, 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 mm, mm, mm. Oh. I noticed your cousin left after she saw I was here. Huh? Oh, oh, raining here. Oh my god. How you know? Ang ganda po ng open. Thank you. Thank you, Nanay Sonia. Pero naman, love ka naman. Love ka naman kung wala. Lagi meron, kahit sa kaya. Waga po. English people. Patingin niya po. Nako, sabi ko na nga don't me add Ignoramus. Don't me. Don't. Thank you so much for 10 people. Thank you so much. Hili ka dyan. I love you. Todo. Pag walang preno, pag nagbangga. Ano yun? Taga saan ka? Bakit? Bakit? Sheryl, what up? What a what? I said, nagbagyo ba dyan? No. No typhoon, but rainy here. Girl, what is he saying? He said, I have no boobs. I said, oh my God, I have, but small. I said, you want to see my boobs? No. I'm not. It's private property. No, the one typhoon is gonna be far away. The one typhoon. Guys, respect the host. Thank you. Respect me or I will blah blah. Okay, take the jacket off. I don't come like this. Maybe busy now. Yep. Right. Ay, ate, may asawa ka na? No. Asawahin pa lang. Not yet married, but I'm not chicken. I'm not single. I'm chicken. Chicken by someone, where? Far here in the Philippines. 4 miles away. Dalaga pa? No, I'm not dalaga. I'm dala na. I'm not dalaga. Hi, Hitter Harder. Hi, Hitter Harder. O, di tumatawa ka. Ha, ha, ha. What is this guy saying? The Roy says if I'm married, he said I'm a lady. I said I'm not a lady. I'm sambayan sa inyo Bicol. Rai said English. Rai, can you speak in English? Thank you so much. Rai. Ayan, saing sa Bicol Manay. Basta sa Bicol. Francisco Oibem. Hi, Francisco. Where are you from? Native. Native 86434. Hello. I fell sleepy now. Guys, this is English speaking. It helps to also learn better. Thank you. I fell sleepy now. I do live tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for joining, guys. Adi. Papa, Mexico. Mexico. Mexico, Roberto Chavez. Hello. I'm going to sleep now. Bye-bye. No sleeping. My eyes is